Hi, let's see the mass of block and bullet. M equal to 3.012 kg. The frictional force F equal to mu into mg. Let's substitute the value here. So we have 0.60 into 3.012 into the value for G is 9.8. That is equal to 17.71 Newton. Now the initial kinetic energy is 17.71 into 0.06, and the formula is the initial kinetic energy equal to of